guys, and welcome to our next session in the Fat Cat Challenge. We put on two trades in the past. The first was the OKB trade on the FTX exchange. OKB perpetual, let me find it. This trade has finally become a take profit. So it has been very close to our stop loss. Somehow I guessed a very good stop loss distance. So this has been a profitable trade. Then let's go to Doge USDT perpetual. I didn't post it in the video, but I posted it on my Twitter because I needed to react very quick to take this trade instead of posting a video about it. So this is this trade. This was at midnight, just before I got to sleep. I saw that the Doge on the 2-hour chart was bouncing from this very strong fat cat zone over here, and this was also had some support from this 0.5 Fib retracement. So I thought this was a very high probability trade, and this one it dipped a bit down when I entered the trade, but then it got to the take profit rather fast. But that happened while I was asleep, so it was very nice to see this when I woke up today. So both of the positions have been closed. I've split my balance across FTX and Binance now, because on FTX there are 3 trading pairs I like to short, but all the rest of my trades I like to do on Binance. So let's go over the pairs I like to look at on the FTX exchange. That's Atlas Perpetual. On the 2 hours, nothing interesting. 4-hour chart, also nothing very close. Let's look at the daily. Not even levels, probably because this downtrend developed too fast. So it would be better to trade lower time frames on this pair. We missed this opportunity here. So let's go to Polis perpetuals. Not a very strong level, but it gets respected, but not enough to take a trade. This level is no longer valid. Let's go to the 4-hour. Nothing interesting here. Daily probably also nothing interesting. Let's go to SLP perpetual. So nothing on daily. Do not expect a trade from these pairs. The 4-hour we got a level. 0.0043. I'm going to open a position on that. SLP perpetual. I put a pending order. What was it again? 0043. Sell for 3. Let's put in $15 to play it safe, because this is only a $100 account. Like this. I'm not very good at putting the stop losses and take profit on this exchange, so I'll do that outside of the video. I'm not very comfortable with FTX. So let's look at the pairs for on Binance. BTC, nothing interesting. ETH, nothing. This on Sol would have been a very nice trade from the Fib level. Let's look. It was a 0.382 level. Missed that trade. Ape. This would have been a good opportunity, but it wouldn't have been failed anyway. AVAX. Also nothing interesting. Same opportunity here. This one wouldn't have been filled. Matic, this already happened. Not going to take the same thing. Doge, nothing close. BNB, also nothing. Send. Mm-hmm. On Axis, this is probably a very nice level to take a trade from, but I don't see it hitting this level very soon. But if you do not find any other opportunities, I will still put a pending order for in case I do not watch the chart for a while, then it still can be a nice trade. But let's look at the other pairs first. Mana, not interesting. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. I do not expect any levels to be on this chart after such a strong down move. So nothing interesting. The 2-hour chart can be interesting. Let's go through the list. Not really interesting. It's a strong level, but and it's on Solana with a FIP supporting it. I'm going to keep this one in mind. I think this is a very nice trade. Like we would position it like this, enter in this red zone, put the stop loss above this zone, and to take profit. Quite conservative. I do not like these 0.5 or 2 because then most likely we will miss the take profit target. So something like that. This could be a nice trade, but I'll put it in the exchange later. Ape is ranging between these two zones, but at the moment I'm not looking at range trades. Looking for retracement and bounces during a trend, so not going to trade that. XRP, this would have been a perfect trade. It's very similar to this Sol trade we are going to take. Okay, Matic, not interesting. Doge has a very strong support level, but we already got one trade from it. I do not recommend you take more than one trade from the same level, as the level most of the time it becomes less strong the more touches we get. So let's move on. It's a really strong level because there's multiple FIPs at this level on Binance Coin. It's going to be a hard decision if you want to trade Sol or Binance. Maybe put a very small position on each. Sand, we got a strong level, and it's a good project, but I'm very careful with taking longs in this market environment, so I'm not going to take it unless there would be a FIP level and some more support. Not interesting. So we'll just do the short entries on Sol and Binance Coin. I'm going to put them in exchange. Okay, I've put the orders in the exchange. I'm going to do it in the same format in the coming videos where I just speed forward the process. So have a nice day. And if you want to have these levels on the chart, make sure to visit our website and you can get a subscription right there to get access. Okay, goodbye.